To install your wall decal, first ensure your surface is clean and free of dust and debris. Next, it's time to position our decal. Each decal comes sandwiched between a translucent transfer layer and a backing liner. With both still in place, apply a strip of tape along one side of the graphic. Position your graphic as desired. When the position looks good, flip your graphic over using the tape as a hinge. Slowly peel off the backing liner. Starting from the taped side, use your hand to press down your decal. Go back and apply extra pressure to the areas with lettering or designs. A soft cloth or towel can be used to help work the vinyl into the crevices of a textured surface. Now it's time to remove the transfer layer. Peel slowly at a sharp angle, keeping the transfer layer close to the wall. If any parts of the graphic stick to the transfer layer, stop peeling and press that section back into the wall. You can finalize your installation by applying firm pressure with a blotting motion. If you have a hairdryer handy, we recommend applying some heat to your graphic as you press. This ensures a stronger bond. Finally, step back and enjoy your graphic.